Hello kids, let's learn the animal's name. Lion. The lion is the king of jungle. Tiger. The tiger has black strips. Elephant. The elephant has long trunk. Giraffe. The giraffe has long neck. Zebra. The zebra has black and white strips. Monkey. The monkey likes to climb trees. Gorilla. The gorilla is very strong. Chimpanzee. The chimpanzee is very clever. Panda. The panda loves to eat bamboos. Kangaroo. The kangaroo carries its baby in the pouch. Hippopotamus. The hippopotamus loves the water. Rhinoceros. The rhinoceros has a big horn. Cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. Leopard. The leopard climbs tree. Wolf. The wolf lives in groups. Fox. The fox has a bushy tail. Hyena. The hyena has a loud laugh. Bear. The bear likes honey. Polar bear. The polar bear lives in the Arctic. Koala. The koala sleeps for many hours. Sloth. The sloth moves very slowly. Camel. The camel stores fat in its hump. Deer. The deer runs very fast. Bison. The bison has thick fur. Buffalo. The buffalo has strong horns. Wild boar. The wild boar has sharp teeth. Porcupine. The porcupine has many sharp spikes. Raccoon. The raccoon has black mask. Otter. The otters loves swim. Skunk. The skunk has black and white fur. Armadillo. The armadillo has hard shell. Okapi. The okapi has striped legs. Yak. The yak has long hair. Llama. The llama carries heavy loads. Wildebeest. The wildebeests run in large groups. Squirrel. The squirrel likes nuts. Rabbit. The rabbit has long ears. Python. The python is very long snake. Donkey. The donkey carry heavy loads. Horse. The horse can run fast. Sheep. The sheep gives us wool. Pig. The pig likes to play in the mud. Goat. The goat eats grass. Cow. The cow gives us milk. Dog. The dog is a loyal friend. Cat. The cat catches mouse. Hen. The hen lays eggs. Duck. The duck can swim. Crocodile. The crocodile lives in rivers. Ostrich. The ostrich is largest bird. Tortoise. The tortoise walks very slow. You are doing great, kids. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more updates.